Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and both the Samsung phone and the TV are on the same network. This is critical for discovery. Once done, enable the TV's screen mirroring or Smart View mode so it can accept connections. You should also update your phone if prompted and disable Bluetooth if it interferes. Doing this minimizes connection conflicts and speeds the initial handshake between devices. Open the quick panel and tap Smart View. This is your primary action. You'll see a list of available displays. Select the TV or dongle that matches the name on screen, then accept any pairing prompts that appear. Make sure you grant screen capture permission when requested, because without it the phone won't mirror. If a PIN is shown on the TV, enter it on your phone. This verifies the connection and prevents unauthorized mirroring. Confirm that both video and audio are streaming to the TV. If the image is cropped or stretched, adjust aspect ratio in the TV or phone display settings. When you're done, stop mirroring from the Smart View icon in the quick panel to end the session cleanly. If things go wrong, restart both devices and rejoin the same network. This simple reboot clears temporary network or software glitches and typically restores a stable connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.